guys, welcome to an unboxing with Herbalife. Super excited to share this with you guys. This is my latest and greatest. So with Herbalife Nutrition, it's the #1 global nutritional brand. We are in over 95 countries for now going into the 40th year. Everything from skincare to meal replacement, we're the #1 meal replacement company in the world, to hair care, to an athletic line with Cristiano Renaldo. And if you've seen some of my unboxings before, you know that I've shared all kinds of different things. So this one, I've got 3 different things to share with you guys. And the first thing I'm gonna share with you is one of my favorites. The light is a little bit, oh, that's better. So is banana caramel. You guys, a lot of times I ask myself that, is this like, I can't believe this is healthy because it tastes so amazing. So banana caramel, Formula 1 comes in over 7 different flavors. My first favorite was healthy mint chocolate, then pumpkin spice. True story, I bought over 9 canisters back in 2013 of pumpkin spice. Banana caramel, I believe, came out about 2 years ago. It's also one of my favorites. And Formula 1 has 9 grams of protein. So protein is super important for your body because it helps you feel full, it helps you build lean muscle mass, it helps you not get hungry. So every meal that you consume should have some form of protein in it. Then we've got, I also got the Formula 1 Select. So with pea protein, quinoa protein, and rice protein. So I tried this a couple weeks ago and I really liked it. So I'm not a vegetarian. I was at one point for 3 years, but I love trying different things and seeing how my body reacts with it. So this protein has 10 grams of protein. So I basically mix the two together for 19 grams of protein. What I typically do is Formula 1 plus the protein drink mix, which gives 24 grams of protein. And the protein drink mix comes in vanilla or chocolate for the chocolate lovers. Then this time I also ended up getting, this is one of my favorites, you guys, from the very beginning, is Beverage Mix. Beverage Mix is adult Kool-Aid. Like, that's the best way to describe it without all the sugar. And 15 grams of pure protein. So it's super simple, you guys, to carry this around with you and to just add water and mix it with a spoon or in your shaker cup. You can add it to Greek yogurt. You can add it to Greek yogurt and oatmeal. Same goes for the shakes. Like, those are just some of the things that I do. And I'm always mixing stuff up. Like last week, I think I was doing Beverage Mix plus the new branched chain amino acids plus CR7 Drive with electrolytes, which is one of the products that we formulated with Cristiano Ronaldo. I shared that on a recent unboxing. So just to give you an idea of some of the things that we offer, some of the combinations. So if you want to know more, you can definitely check out my free wellness plan profile. You get a free meal plan, a free workout plan, free recipes, and recommended products. If you already have a coach, if you already are on the products, but you didn't know about the wellness profile, definitely ask your coach, whoever referred you. If you're in our challenge, definitely talk to whoever invited you to the challenge so that you can learn more about different ways that you can get healthy. And you may also want to attend one of our upcoming success training seminars or leadership development weekends, depending on where you are with your journey, depending on where you are with your business. So definitely talk to whoever it is that referred you, or again, you can connect with me and with us via the profile as well. So thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in, and chat soon.